Yeah, we are still here. It's Bar FM Makassar 101.1 FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Okay, I want to check your spirit, guys. BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Oh, thank you. Nice, super. Anyway, we are very happy, right? Yeah, because today is the New Year. Happy New Year for you. Happy New Year, Achang. Welcome to Smart FM. Okay, anyway, based on our topic tonight, our topic tonight is my 2021 recap. My means that you guys, you. Okay, but anyway, talk about recap means in bahasa rekapitulasi, the accumulation of our activity during 2021, start from January until the end of December, the end of the year, and right now is the 2022. Of course, all of you guys have a resolution, right? Um, but before I ask you about resolution, I want to ask the newcomer.
Oh, yeah,
Okay,
sure.
what do you think about our topic tonight?
Yeah, actually, this is the interest topic for us
Mhm.
because we already celebrating the new year, right?
Mhm.
So actually, we need we need to talk and also discuss about this topic because there are a lot of experience we will get
Mhm.
in the previous year,
Mhm.
right? And yeah, I think this the interest topic we can because we diverse in here we have a different like experience.
Mhm.
Yeah, we can gain more information and more experience from your experience in 2021.
Mm.
Mm.
Did you know your achievement during 2021?
My achievement,
Yeah.
yeah, become as a president in BPC.
Yeah. What else? What else? What else? Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah, also my how to say mahasiswa berprestasi
Uh-huh,
in my campus.
What?
As
What?
a-
What?
I'm as a delegate in.
Do not hesitate to mention it. Just come on, mention it.
I don't.
You got the medals, bronze or
Yeah.
gold
No,
or?
no, I am runner up in Sulawesi Selatan, Sulawesi Barat in the
Wow!
Bay.
Wow!
Unhas kill me.
Wow! Uh-huh.
Yeah. I'm runner up and
Uh-huh.
I'm delegate in KD kompetisi debat mahasiswa Indonesia
Mhm.
in delegate how to say South Sulawesi.
Okay, you got
Yeah.
the medals of your. I mean, you're majoring about English about the debate. You how to say be a president of PPEC,
Yeah.
and of course, in 2021, you always be a speaker in Smart FM, right?
Yeah, it's very grateful because if I don't join BPC, I cannot become a
Uh-huh,
president
uh-huh.
because I get a lot of experience like debate discussion in BPC.
Do not forget BPEC and Smart FM also.
Yeah, sure.
We will
Exactly.
appreciate Smart FM. Give a applause for Smart
Yeah.
FM. Hey, thank you, Smart FM. Oh my God. Okay, next I want to change my question. My last question, maybe. Okay, Miss Oya, what kind of you want to get or in 2021 during 2021, but you fail and you still want to get in 2022? Something like resolution, maybe.
Okay, something like resolution. First, the most important resolution that I want to achieve this year is know how to write and how to drive. Yes,
How to
because
write and how
honestly,
to.
I'm still learning now, so I hope I
Oh.
can get my license sooner as well this year.
You have to ride a train.
Yeah, and have my own vehicles as well,
Uh-huh.
and working well, and of course, be the best, better version of my life every single day during this year. Like example, I cannot wake up earlier last year. I hope I can wake up earlier this year.
Wow.
Okay, maybe to help my mom at my house to take
Okay.
care of house stuff and so on. Yeah,
Okay.
I think I don't have any like big resolution, but I
Uh-huh.
just always hope I can be better version of my day every day.
Okay.
Because I remember a wise man said, and
Mhm.
it's really, really important for me. I want to share it to smart listeners as well. That accept the things you can change and have a courage to change the things you can, and have a wisdom to know the difference.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, cool. That's cool. What about you? What is your resolution for this year?
This year's
2021, 2022, sorry.
2022. Okay. The first maybe that I want to graduate.
Hooray.
I want to graduate. No matter what, I want to graduate my S1, S1
Uh-huh.
first, and maybe get a full-time job, or maybe if I'm still freelancing, that times that I hope that I get much freelance. That thanks.
Oh, thanks, guys.
Yes, and maybe I want to also same as Sister Oya, maybe
Mhm.
become the best me, maybe like more expressive to my mothers, like
Okay.
I want to every time I meet her, because I know I'm live separate. I
Mhm.
want every time that I meet her that I want to hug her. So yeah, it's become my resolution to like expressing my love for my parents, and maybe mom.
Happily. Hi, mom.
And maybe the last, maybe I want to visit a place outside Sulawesi.
Okay,
Yes.
good. That counts. Okay, what about you, Yusril? What is your resolution for this year?
Yeah, my resolution in this year, 2022, I have some goals that I haven't achieved in last year. That is, I want to have good self-confidence. I want to be a good speaker in front of public. Cause when I speak in front of many people, even it's just 10%, I feel nervous and sometimes shaking. Like when I hold the microphone, sometimes not sometimes, but it's often happen. I'm shaking. I was shaking, and I hope in these years it can be changed. It can change. And
Okay.
next is cause last time I told you that I was joining some organization and community, and my goals in last year that have not achieved is I cannot manage my time well.
Mhm.
And I hope in this year I can manage my time, because every organization, every community want to be a priority.
Mhm.
And yeah, that's our obstacle. We have to manage our time better.
Okay, before I move to Achang, we will running here because our time is limited. Okay, there is a message from Lulu. Yeah, good evening, Smart FM, Smart listeners, and BPEC. I'm Lulu. I'm one of participant of BPEC. I'm so glad to listen to you guys through the radio. Talking about BPEC, do you guys have any wish for BPEC through this year and future? Thank you. Stay healthy and stay safe. Okay, I want to answer your question as a representative of BPEC. Okay, actually, our expectation, our solution for BPC, of course, for the first is we will back to our home, real home, benteng, benteng, benteng. And the second is the coronavirus is gone.
Amin.
Because to make effective BPEC and to make a normal BPEC like before, we have 100 participants like that, only like that. Thank you, Lulu. Thank you, Lulu. Okay, last, Achang, what is your resolution or expectation for 2022?
Exactly. I will be better than before. Like in the year, I can will more productive.
Mhm.
Like, actually, I am as a lazy person. Actually, I am mageran, and I can do it from there.
Very honest.
That is why we need like community or organization to which one can help me, like
Mhm.
if I have responsibility,
Mhm.
it will force me to do that, which
Mhm.
one I can move to become as a productive people.
Mhm. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, last words of vocabulary. Do you have Achang vocabulary? Random, fast. Who fast?
I have one.
Okay.
Maybe an idioms. Maybe an
Okay.
idioms. It's turn the new leaf. It's mean in as literally it's mean like you turning a leaf
Mhm.
upside down. But in its meaning in idioms, it's mean like you starting something new.
Okay.
So for example that you have want to have a new life. For example, kayak Sister Oya that newly moved. So she is turning a new leaf and turning a new leaf in her new homes.
Okay. What about vocabularies? Do you have
Vocabularies.
activity, experience of activity?
Activity.
Aktivitas, pengalaman aktivitas.
Maybe apa ya? resolutions.
Oh, good. Okay.
Resolusi, a plan that you or thing that you want to achieve in next years or in this current years.
Okay, what about you, Yusril? Okay, just try. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, come on. No.
Yeah, the new vocabulary that I just know is my 21 recap. That's the new thing that I know, and yeah, I hope you guys, if you before you don't know about it, I hope you know that recap is the
Recapitulation.
recapitulation
The
of-
accumulation.
the accumulation of every activity in last year.
Okay, thank you. Achang,
So
what
actually,
words?
I have several ideas.
Okay.
I search in Google. So the first hit the books. Hit the books artinya kan meninju, tapi artinya idiom ini bahwa kita mau belajar,
Mhm.
akan belajar. Saya with the hit the sick. Artinya kan meninju, tapi
Mhm.
artinya idiom sini tuh kayak kita sangat lelah dan harus tidur.
Mhm.
Nah, I think that's all.
Okay. Oh yeah, they have 2 words, 1 word.
Okay, so because during this year, still in this corona pandemic, I mean, so in some like public space, there is a like notes where I think I want to talk about the difference of less touch and touchless. Touchless mean mengurangi sentuhan,
Okay.
but less touch means no touch, no touch.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you guys for VPEs. Thank you so much for coming every week. Always loyal with Smart FM, and thank you also for Smart FM. I'm Radio Rizahil, of course. See you. Bye bye next week.
Bye.